Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to undo email in Gmail after sending. So to do that, let's head over to my Gmail in my web browser in my PC. So I'm heading over to the manage labels or the settings option in here. And here you have to go to the general option. And here you will find the undo send option in here. So this is the one. So here you can turn it on and just change the undo send time to, or you can just choose any time, 5 second, 10 second, 20 or 30 second. So I'm just setting for 10 second, and then here, once you do it, you can send a message or a mail, and then you can just use undo after sending. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.